How to change Facebook page name. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Facebook page name. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the drop down arrow beside your profile name at the top. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select the page that you want to manage. And now here, once you are on the page, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled as page setup. And now here under the page setup, you can see the name option. So simply tap on that, and once you see the interface like this, simply change the name that you would like to, and once you're done with that, simply tap on review change. But also note that Facebook might take up to 3 days to process this and may ask for extra information, and for security you'll be prompted to enter your password. So go ahead and do that, and after that simply tap on save changes, and with that you are all set. And that's how you can change Facebook page name. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.